Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one website. You can invest your money in that website, and after 24 hours this will be pay you 25%. okay, and this is the website. This website link available in description. You can see I invest my 50.52 Doge in here. After 50 hours this will be pay me this much Dogecoin. okay, and this is the all the daily, monthly, 2 months and 3 months all the long this will be have. okay, you can select your to invest, and you can invest any cryptocurrency you have. Doesn't mean if you have Dogecoin just invest Dogecoin. If you have Ethereum you can invest it and this will be converted to Dogecoin. If you have a Litecoin you can invest it and this will be changed to Dogecoin. okay, and if you have payout, but I tell you one thing, this will be just pay you USD dollar. okay, not rebel. A lot of people making mistake to pay rebel. okay, but this website need a USD dollar. okay, and invest it, and after 24 hours this will be pay you your profit, and this much is my profit. okay, after I receive my first payment from this website I will share with you the payment proof of this website. A lot of people come here invest their monies. okay, this all investments tools, and this is all the rules about the investments, and this is all the payouts. A lot of people come here invest their monies and they make much more cryptocurrency from this website. okay, you can see this person deposit this much BTC. okay, this will be converted to Dogecoin, and this person received Dogecoin. okay, this is the deposit and this is the payout. Deposit, payout, deposit, payout. This is all the long. okay, and you can invest your money. If you invest 100 Doge this will be pay you 100 to 125. okay, if you invest 1250 Doge you will be receive. okay, daily income is this much. You can change it to another monthly income. okay, daily income maybe this much pay you. Every day you can earn 100 Doge. okay, and 1000 Doge. That's great. You can choose long term or you can choose the best one. That's depend in you. Just I tell you one thing, just invest with your own risk. I invest with my own risk. This website is 100% paying website, but maybe after few weeks this website make a scam. okay, about that this is the contact. You can contact the person. okay, put your email subject or message, just solve it. You will be contact to owner of this website. About us you can watch about this one, and this is all the thing this website told you. okay, and just subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and just wait till I receive my first payment of this website. Then I told you to invest in this website, and this website link available in description. Bye bye for now.